NAB 2018. We're here with Mono at Dell. Well, this isn't Dell, but we're in a conference room talking about Dell, the Precision line of high-end workstations and laptops, and we're going to do that next. So, lots of cool stuff for the video creator, for somebody that needs a higher-end workstation.
Yes.
You have some desktops right behind us. You have a 1U unit for those that need to put their systems into an enterprise area.
Absolutely.
And then, of course, the laptops for when you become mobile. People
Yes.
like myself that create video on the road, and just amazing stuff. So we're going to talk about two main models, but there's a whole line that you're seeing right behind us. So let's, which one do you want to start with?
We can start with the 5532 in one, which
Okay.
I have right in front of me.
Okay, and this is the new version, or has this been around for a while?
This is a new addition to our portfolio. We've
Okay.
had 4 other mobile workstations. This is our 5th one that we've added.
Okay, perfect. Tell us a little bit about that.
So the 5532 in one is our convertible, 360 degree. As you can see, it's sitting in a tent area, a tent format
Tent
right
area,
now.
yeah.
Right? Tent
There's
format.
a little concert inside.
Yeah, exactly. It has Wacom type technology built in.
We got the Wacom pen.
Got
right
the Wacom
here.
pen with over 4,000 different pressure points of sensitivity.
I love the Wacom pens because you can put your palm onto the screen
Yes.
as you're drawing, as you're doing what you need to do, and it's not interfering with that. So.
Absolutely. It's really about allowing creators to be able to take their portability on site, but still have the compute power that they need to do different type jobs while they're there.
Yeah.
It has a lot of capability, quad-core processors, AMD, Radeon Pro graphics on it. So this has the new Vega graphic card with HDR memory. So the memory is really fast, and the graphics memory transferring into the processor to get the work done.
Yeah, internal memory. That's where we're also
Yes.
also got a bump up on it.
Yeah, so internal memory is running at 2400 on this one. Megahertz, we have up to 32 gigabytes of memory, a couple terabytes of storage. So it's a pretty good little system.
Little workout horse that's not too heavy. What's the weight on that?
Starting at just a little bit north of 4 pounds.
Okay.
Yeah.
So very, very manageable when you're on the road and you need to get some
Absolutely.
good video work done.
Yeah, it's got a built-in IR camera and fingerprint reader built into the power button, which is a great little addition for people who are using Windows Hello for authentication purposes.
Okay.
The display is an IGZO 4 display, and the great thing from generation to generation on the IGZO 4 display is it has better battery power savings. So additional 2 hours of battery power. It's brighter and it has better contrast ratios. So
Do you know how many
great.
nits that
It is a little over 400 nit panel.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. What's the price on this one?
Starting at price point is yet to be determined. Probably in the neighborhood of $14, $15.99.
A nice little laptop if you need something in an i5 or an i7 flavor.
Absolutely.
You're good to go. But if you need more power, that's
Yes.
where this one comes
The
in.
7530, yes sir.
Tell us a little bit about this.
So the 7530 is where I start to say a desktop replacement.
Okay.
You're looking at a lot of expandability, a lot of capabilities out of this box. Starting with processors, next generation, 8th generation Intel Core i5, i7, i9, and Xeon processors.
Nice.
So the new 6-core i7s, i9s, and Xeons.
Okay.
Memory is the 2666 megahertz memory, but we also have something called super speed memory, which is a 3200 megahertz memory.
Wow.
And then
Just like a desktop.
exactly, right? And then when it comes to memory capacity, every other notebook that you see will max out in this category up to 64 gigs. We go up to 128 gigabytes of memory. So again,
Wow.
desktop type
And that's
performance.
straight up memory. You're not doing any type of hard drive replacement memory or anything like that?
Straight up 32 gig DIMMs, 4 32 gig DIMMs in the system.
Wow. My desktop doesn't even have that much memory.
Yeah.
And
To store all that data that you're saving, all that 8K content that you're capturing, we have 3 internal M.2 slots for a total of 6 terabytes of PCIe storage.
Plus you have the ability to hook up multiple monitors to this thing.
Yes, so another great thing is we've taken a 17-inch, traditionally a 17-inch class of graphic card and put it in our 15-inch.
Okay.
So now we have a P3000 class. It's a P3200 from NVIDIA Quadro, and it is a VR-ready graphic card. So the first VR-ready 15-inch mobile workstation.
Really?
And we have numerous video outputs. We have 2 Thunderbolt ports, which are Thunderbolt with DisplayPort 1.4.
Okay.
We have HDMI 2.0 and a mini DisplayPort 1.4. So with the 1.4s, you're able to push an 8K display natively.
8K or 4 4Ks?
Or 4 4Ks or numerous 1080s.
Yeah, I could build this wall right here with a whole bunch of 1080 monitors, and this would be able to handle it.
This would push it.
That's crazy. The other thing I like on this one is, you can't see that, but in the back, you actually have an Ethernet port.
Yes.
And as much as I love, the whole USB to Ethernet, sometimes it's just nice to have that little port right into the laptop there, so to plug right in.
Yeah, sometimes, I mean, Wi-Fi is great, and it's almost everywhere nowadays, but the speeds on Ethernet are still above what you can get with Wi-Fi currently.
Yeah.
So.
And for me, I do not only video editing onto a laptop like this, I also do live streaming from a laptop. So always having a hard wire into your live stream is key to keeping the stream going. So, is this out yet?
No, it will be launching in the May timeframe.
Okay.
Starting at price point on the 7530 is $11.99. And kind of heads north as you configure it.
Okay, we talked about the video card.
Yes, sir.
Let's talk about the display on this.
Yeah, so we have a couple of different display options, Full HD and Full HD Touch, and a UHD panel.
Okay.
The UHD panel is 4K, 100% color gamut. The Full HD Touch, 10-finger touch. So we have a lot of different options to fit whatever needs you have.
Where do people go for more information?
You can go to dell.com/precision. Everything will be up there in the May timeframe.
Okay, and once again, the price points for that one?
For this one, you're looking at about $14 to $15.99.
Okay.
And starting at $11.99.
$11.99. So great prices.
Yes.
Because if you're doing video and you're doing it on the road, you're usually asking for some money. So you need a workhorse to back up what you're doing. So.
Absolutely, and the precision reliability that goes along with it, all of our support, global support that we offer, it's great when you're out in the field.
Awesome stuff from Dell. Thank you very much for
Thank
your
you.
time.
Thank you, Jeff.
We got a lot more at NAB 2018, so go over to geekazine.com, youtube.com/geekazine. Go on YouTube, go ahead, like, subscribe, link, and hit the notification for the next video. And until next time, you guys geek out.